See, the question is why cold water current takes more time as compared to hot water current. Hot water current takes around 50 to 60 years to travel throughout the ocean. Why it's so? Because of the kinetic energy of the molecules of water. Just now we have studied that as the temperature is the motion of individual atoms. Okay, and I have just now told you that in if it is a cold means the kinetic energy will be less or more. Obviously, it is less as compared to hot substance. In hot substance, kinetic energy is more. And what is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is that energy when the body starts moving. Body has a motion. So if the ocean current, if here it is said that
south through the Atlantic, hugging the seabed. It takes hundreds of years for the cold, salty water to travel as far as the Indian.
so it takes 100 years to travel to the Atlantic bed, okay, Atlantic area. Why? Because in the cold, the kinetic energy is less. And if there is less kinetic energy, obviously the motion will be also in a very less speed. Okay? Because of that
and
reason, it
Pacific
takes more
Oceans.
year.
Then it starts to warm up and rise to the surface. The warmer
Why it is warmer? Because of the climate here. In the Antarctica or Atlantic, this is a cold region. But if it comes to the Pacific, India, Asia, this is a hot country. So when the water comes towards the hotter part of the area of the section of the earth, then those cold water is been converted to the warm water. So as it becomes warmer, the kinetic energy of the molecules of the liquid becomes faster. Right, Yash?
Yeah.
Right? Because of that reason, if the water takes 100 years in cold time, so half of the year it has taken when it is hot or warm, you can say. Okay?
Okay.
less dense water then loops back around and begins its journey north again as a surface current. It's traveling faster now and may take only 50 years to reach the continents of North and South America. Once it reaches the tropics, the water warms up. The conveyor then moves north, joining a surface current called the Gulf Stream. As the Gulf Stream crosses the Atlantic Ocean, it releases some of the heat that it's carrying, warming Western Europe. When the water finally reaches the northern oceans again, it cools down, becomes saltier and denser, and plummets to the bottom, starting the process all over again.
Any doubt, Yash, about the motion of the current of the water?